Hello guys, welcome back to my another video. This is Miss Local Girl eyebrow tutorial, which is very easy and simple, and I'm going to be sharing you all the tips that I use while making my eyebrow looks as neutral as I want it. Just a disclaimer, this is an eyebrow tutorial, so I was just moisturizing my face. That's the only thing I'm gonna do, and now I'll be using this eyebrow pencil from ADS, which is very cheap and affordable, but it's really helpful, and this is what I usually use for drawing my eyebrow. So what I'm gonna start by doing is outlining the bottom section of my eyebrows with this eyebrow pencil. And always avoid the front part of the eyebrows, which always make it look messy, so make sure you don't forget that. Then you come to the upper section of your eyebrows and you make sure the lines are perfectly clean, and gently you fill in your eyebrows with the eyebrow pencil. Apply the same formula that you've done on the other side, and that's how it's finished, and you're done with perfect looking easy eyebrow work. So, and now for the perfect clean out brows, we're going to be using this concealer. We're slowly going to apply it on the sides, on the sides of the brows, and then we'll slowly blend it out with a brush. And so we've come to the end. That's the end of the eyebrow tutorial. I thank you all so much for watching. See you guys in my next video.